Welcome to cabin 9605. This is an interior cabin here on the Adventure of the Seas. We're going to give a nice little tour of it. It's got some little cool perks to it, so let's go get to it. When you first come in, on your right hand side will be the closet. Now this closet's pretty unique. It has a couple of different rail systems in here that you can lower and put your bags on or use for hangers. They got plenty of hangers in here, probably about 15 hangers. They got some shelving right here, and what's interesting is there's a safe in here as well. Nobody left any money. So what's really interesting though, because there's another safe in this room as well. Now neither of them are big enough for a laptop. A tablet maybe, probably, but not a laptop. Next, we're going to check out the bathroom. Now what's cool about it is it does not have the creepy shower curtain on it. Standard size. You got a little bit of counter space, some storage space underneath, but it's just a pretty basic bathroom. Now one thing that is cool about it is right here, they do have some extra storage here so you can keep your countertops clean. Your first cruise, a pro tip for you: those plastic shoe door holders that clip on the doors and you can put your shoes into it. Bring it. You can't put it on the inside because you've got these knobs, but bring it to where they're on the outside and you can put all your toiletries, hair straightener, whatever. You can put it all right here and it minimizes everything that is on the countertops for anything that's just essential versus having to have a space for it. Now as we come in, they do have a desk here. There are 9 drawers on it, 4 on each side, 1 in the middle. Now up top you do have a Euro plug here. You do have 2 110 outlets here. This is an older ship, so they don't have USB ports in here. So if you need more than 2 ports, make sure you bring a Euro adapter. If you bring a Euro adapter, make sure you put some USB and USB plugs into them so that you can at least charge what you need. Now another cool thing is on either side, there's storage, just some extra shelves, but it's cool because it gives you some extra storage, and you've got plenty of mirrors here in this room to not miss a beat, and it helps make the rooms look so much bigger. Right under the TV, you do have a refrigerator. It is not stocked, but it is there. So if you get something from the Windjammer or the dining hall, you couldn't eat, but you want to bring it back, you got a place for it. It is not a medical refrigerator. If you need a medical refrigerator, make sure you ask for one. You will get one for free, as well as an extension cord to make everything work out for you. Then right above the TV, you got some more storage. Here's safe number 2. Again, not big enough for a laptop, but you can put a laptop on top of it. And then a couple more shelves right here for storage. Now we come to the bed. The bed's your standard bed. You can't fit a suitcase underneath of it. If you're traveling with somebody you don't want to sleep with, they can come into single beds instead of being put together as a king. There's a phone over here, nothing over here, no outlets on either side, but you do have a lamp there and a lamp there that will provide light and a reading light. Now last but not least, when you're getting ready or waiting for that special someone to finish getting ready, there's a couch here for you. You can just sit back, relax, watch some TV, play a game on your phone or something like that while she or he get ready. Well, that completes the room here. This is an interior room on the Adventure of the Seas.